low boost.
Is it low boost?
Yeah, I think it was.
I'm just saying, you got that. Right, what size the wheels are they?
Massive. Massive.
Big fuckers.
Hi guys, I'm Ryan. This is my 1981 VHS LE. It's got a 6.2 LS3 with a 2.9 litre Whipple Supercharger. Engine was built by Tan from GMF and tuned. It's got a Turbo 400 with 3.5 grand converter, built by Luke from Hasty Automatics. All parts were supplied by John and Michael from Race Parts Melbourne. They've helped me out heaps with the build. And car ran up yesterday, made 416 kilowatts. Let's see, maybe we can make a little bit more today. Hopefully, fingers crossed.